Hello and welcome to our DBT Core Guide. My name is Steven Johnson and I'm the Data Community Advocate here at Shipyard. I'm so excited that you're joining us to learn more about how to deploy DBT Core into the cloud. This series will include 3 parts to help you start from scratch in DBT Core and get you to a point where you can begin to transform your data. At the end of part 1, you will have the sample data provided uploaded to your cloud data warehouse to be ready to move into part 2. The steps in this tutorial will specifically utilize Snowflake. If you use BigQuery, Redshift, or Databricks, don't worry because we also have guides made specifically for those 3 cloud data warehouses as well. Before we begin, please download the sample data. It is available in the description below. Once that sample data is downloaded, navigate over into a Snowflake worksheet and we'll be ready to begin. We will start by pasting a query from our written guide to grant permissions for DBT Core to run and create roles, databases, and warehouses for the demo. After the query is completed, click on the databases icon on the top left corner to continue. Click dbt_HOL_dev to navigate inside of the database that we just created. Click Create on the top left of the screen to create a table inside of our database. Under table name, enter STG_football_rankings. We will need to manually input our schema for the CSV. This first table takes 7 columns. Click the Add button to create the first column in the schema. Under the Name column, enter rank. Under the Type column, select integer. We will need to follow this process for the remaining 6 columns. The information for those are in our written guide that is available in the description below. After inputting those columns, the setup should look like this. Click Finish. You should see the new table in your database now. Click Load Data, which will bring up the Load Data menu. Choose dbt_dev_wh as the warehouse to load data. Click Next. Click Select Files and select SPI_global_rankings.csv, then select Next. Click the plus sign next to the drop-down to create our file format. Under Name, enter dbt_tutorial_CSV. Change header lines to skip to 1 from 0. Keep the other settings at their default. Click Finish, then select Load. After the data has loaded in the Snowflake, you will receive a success message that looks like this. We now need to repeat the steps that we just did with the first table for our second table with the following changes. The table name will be called STG_football_matches. The schema is found inside of the written guide that's in the description. And the file selected to load data from will be the second file from our sample data, which is SPI_matches_latest.csv. After you're finished with those changes, you should be able to see both of the tables inside of our database. Click on STG_football_rankings and click Grant Privileges on the right of the screen. Grant all privileges to dbt_dev_role. We also want to grant the same permissions to the STG_football_matches table for the same DBT dev role. Thank you for joining me for part 1 of our DBT Core series. You're now ready to move on to part 2, where we'll focus on setting up DBT Core in the cloud. If you have any questions about part 1 or as you move into part 2 or even part 3, feel free to use the intercom button on the bottom right-hand corner of the Shipyard webpage. See you in part 2.